Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. So I placed a Glossier order the other day. I'm literally going away next week and I was like, oh my god, it's not going to arrive in time, but it did. And here is the parcel, here is the goods, here's my package. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a haul and show you guys what I ordered. I've done a fair few Glossier hauls in my 23 years of living. So usually I order like skincare and beauty products, but this time I've actually ordered a hoodie and a makeup bag. There is some makeup and skincare in here, obviously. I'm just a skincare obsessive at the minute and Glossier is my favourite brand. Skincare for the glowy look. So this video is going to be a haul and an unboxing as well because I've never seen some of this stuff before. So yeah, I'm very excited to share with you guys what I ordered. I hope you enjoy this video. It's been a hot minute since I've done a proper haul on my channel, so this one is quite like a chilled vibe. I'm literally sat on like my floor at the minute. This is the current situation. So yeah, just a nice like vlog style haul. I thought it would be super fun, so I hope you enjoy it. If you do, be sure to like this video and subscribe down below. Another thing that I want to mention before getting into the video is that I've got a referral link which can get you, I think it's like 10% off if you make a purchase. So I'll bob that either on the screen or in the description box. So if you want to check Glossier out or make a purchase, you can get a discount using my referral link, which is all good. We all love a bargain, don't we? Let's stop rambling and let's stop introducing the video. Let's stop with the rambling and get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing, which I cannot wait a minute longer for, is this hoodie. Can we take a minute for like how it's packaged? This material, like the packaging, is super soft. Everything is just done so bloody well. So I got it in a medium. It says your new favourite hoodie, plush and cozy with a super soft fleecy inside. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer, I have actually got the other hoodie from Glossier. I think it was limited edition, to be honest. In fact, I have actually got it right here. I'm going to show you. This was the one that they brought out last year. The material's like this white dotty material, I guess. And I absolutely love this hoodie. I cannot for the life of me remember what... Oh my god, I did get it in a medium. I was ordering this and I was like, what size did I get my other hoodie in? I mean, that one is pretty oversized, but I like my hoodies to be oversized, you know? So I was like, what on earth am I going to order it in? So I'm hoping this is going to fit me fine. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done up my buttons, should I? Because I'm literally just going to try this hoodie on. Anyway, oh my goodness. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love that. I feel like on the website I thought it was going to be like a bright baby pink, but this in real life is actually a little bit more of like a dusky pink. Is that the right word? Which I actually prefer. Oh my god, honestly, the inside of this feels so soft. Oh my god, that is so amazing. In fact, I'm just gonna undress on the video. I'm gonna try it on right now because I feel like you guys are gonna want to see it on, you know? Big reveal, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like this is a very appropriate thing to wear to do the rest of the haul as well, so I'll probably leave it on. Oh my gosh. See, it's quite baggy and oversized, but I absolutely love it. Oh my goods. Yes! Love it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I feel like this is just... it's very me, you know? I love a pastel colour. It's just very me. Okay, so I think I'm going to share with you guys the makeup bag next. I mean, I think this is going to be the makeup bag. Look at the state of my hair. You can literally tell I've put this on. I absolutely love this little like drawstring bag you get with it. I also love the labels that you get on it as well. It says beauty bag, just the right size to hold all your makeup staples, with a zippered main compartment and front pocket, but small enough to slip inside your tote or purse. Oh, it's so lovely. I feel like it's Christmas Day with all this packaging. So this is what it looks like. That's the front, I guess. Wow, I love it. So it's got the main compartment at the back. Oh my giddy little Anne, honestly. Look at all the compartments in there. I just got my nails done, by the way. Absolutely love them. Even if I do say so myself. Very autumnal vibes. Oh my god, I feel like the brown goes with the pink. Anyway, look at all the compartments. Oh my god, I feel like that's actually so good because I'll actually be able to put different stages of either my skincare or my makeup in here. I did kind of think, I'll show you the front compartment as well. I did think about putting my, that's what it looks like, skincare in this one just because it's Glossier. Obviously all my skincare is Glossier, so it would go really well. But I don't know, I'm going away next week like I said earlier, so I'll be taking this for sure. So yeah, oh my god, I love red and baby pink. Like, it's one of my favourite colour combos ever. So I am very buzzing about this. I'm going to try my best not to get makeup on it, which is why I kind of want to put skincare in it, because you know, like when you get a makeup bag and then after like a few months of using it, you like look inside and it's got like foundation marks on it, mascara marks on it, and it's a bit grotty and you're like, oh my god, I really don't want to do that to this because it's so lovely. Anyway, I will keep you guys updated. I'll let you know on my Instagram what I end up using it for. Okay, so next up is, well, what even is next up? They send everything in like a cute little makeup bag. Hang on, I'm just looking for the sticker because they've sent me a little cute sticker. This one is still like the summer one. It says summer 2021 on the corner there. So I always stick that on like my makeup bag, or I always stick them some places. I've actually got a sticker, a Glossier sticker on here on my drawer for all my skincare, so I always make use of the stickers because I'm a stationery geek. I'm a stationery geek. So the first thing that I picked up was my favourite foundation ever. Not foundation. It's not foundation. Moisturizer, not foundation. The Priming Moisturizer Rich. So this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. I'm not going to open this because I'm currently using one at the minute and I'm like halfway through, so I don't need to open this yet, so I'm not going to open it before I have to. But it's the best moisturizer ever. I use it like twice a day and I'm in love with it. So yeah, absolutely bloody love it. It's quite expensive. I think it's like £28, but if you love it, you gotta do it. Do you know what I mean? Okay, next up is Super Bounce. This is my newest and latest find. I will open the packaging up and show you. I actually tried this out because I got the mini skincare edit. If you look at Glossier a lot, then you'll know what I mean. They basically do like a skincare edit with loads of little minis. Like you get a little mini one of these, you get a mini lip balm, you get mini everything. And you actually get a mini one of these. It's a hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 serum, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the packaging, it's like a lilac-y colour. It's beautiful. So you basically put a few drops on your face and rub in after toner but before moisturizer. So it's just like another step added into your skincare, and it takes like 2 seconds, which I am so down for. The consistency is really thin, like super easy to just rub in. It's not sticky at all. Literally just goes on super easy. Then you put your moisturiser on top. Oh, it just feels so nice on your face. Nice even layers of skincare, which I'm here for. So yeah, like I say, I tried out the mini and I was literally in love with it after like 3 days, and I was like, right, okay, I need the big one. I mean, it's not that spenny for like a serum, like an acidic serum. Usually I think they're more expensive and you can get so many like premium brands and stuff, but I can't remember the exact price of this. I want to say like 20-30 quid. It will last me bloody ages. There is actually a few different serums from Glossier which I would like to try out. I think with me, I'm always just nervous because I have got like relatively sensitive skin, so if I try something and it's not good, it will scare me and I will never use it again. So I feel like I'd want to try the minis before using the other serums. Plus I'm good with my one serum at the minute. The next thing I picked out, which is their newest product, I think, was their Pro Retinol Nightly Renewing Complex. So this is the packaging. It's really nice. It's got a little touch of silver, which is cute. Oh, love the packaging. Look at that. Yeah, so like I said, this is their like newest release. They've been talking about it loads on Instagram, and on their website there's like a full web page all about Pro Retinol and how you should use it and stuff. And I think you just use it at night. Yeah, it says for your evening routine only. Smooth a pea-sized pump over freshly cleansed skin and patted dry skin. Allow to absorb for 15 seconds, then follow with moisturizer. Start with 1 or 2 nights a week, increasing slowly to every night. Okay, cool. So I think this stuff is pretty strong from what it's saying, which again does make me a little bit nervous with having sensitive skin. However, the pictures on their website of like the skin transformations were insane. So I was just like, right, I've got quite a lot of redness around my nose and around my mouth, which you can't see right now because I've got a bit of makeup on, but I just feel like will be a nice added extra. I don't really have anything that differentiates my morning routine from my evening routine, like it's literally just the same. So I feel like if this is just for evening, it will add a bit of a difference. Plus I was just pulled in by the marketing, really. I am a marketer's dream. It is for sure. I am a marketer's dream. So yeah, picked that up. Very excited to try it. Oh my god, I forgot that I picked up a sample. Oh my god, they've sent me two. They sent me the perfume sample, their perfume, and then also, this is the one that I chose, the cleanser concentrate face wash tester. If you spend over, I want to say like 30 quid, I'm pretty sure it's that, it might be a little bit more, you get a few little testers, which is quite cute. So they sent me them over, so thank you. What was I saying before? Oh yeah, I will test everything out as I go and then let you guys know how everything is over on Instagram. But if you would like a proper testing video here on YouTube, let me know, because I can do that. Okay, next up, I'm still not finished. Next up is balm.coms, of course. So they do a set basically, which is their amazing, well, I want to say lip balm, but I've started using it for my cuticles and stuff. It's basically like an all-rounder balm that is great for your lips. Anywhere that's like particularly dry, you just bob a little bit on, and fan as your bubs your ankle. So I ordered, oh god, why did I order two of the same? I ordered two originals, which I was definitely meant to do. I do actually really like their original like lip balm though. It's just nice to just have like a back to basics sometimes, you know. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice. And then I also picked out a rose one, which, oh my god, look at the packaging. How gorgeous is that? So nice. So this one smells like, if you've ever had Turkish Delight, this smells like the rose, like the pink Turkish Delight, which is actually really lovely. I have been using their lip balm, well, I'm gonna call it lip balm for the sake of the video, for god, like since the start of lockdown. That's when I first ever ordered some Glossier products. I've not really used anything else since, to be honest. Like that is just my go-to lip balm. So yeah, I picked out their set. I think it's usually one for £10 or three for 25, so you save a £5 by getting the set. So yeah, super cute. Got those as well. So I basically stocked up on some stuff that I needed, like the moisturizer, the lip balms, but then I also, well, I suppose I stocked up on that as well. I wanted the proper size because I'm using my little mini at the minute. And then I'm also trying out some new stuff like the Pro Retinol, and then this and the makeup bag. Oh god, I absolutely love that. Don't you think it would be cute for skincare though? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that is everything that I ordered. I am absolutely in love with this hoodie. This is definitely my favourite thing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this little haul. It's been super short and sweet, but I hope you liked it anyhow. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. I didn't really say this at the start of the video, but hope you're good. Hope you are adjusting to normal life well. I am, but I kind of miss lockdown, you know? Like, I miss sitting in and eating crisps and watching films every night. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, if you want to try anything or you want to order yourself a few little treats, I have got a discount link should I say, and it'll be in the description box, so use that if you wish. But yeah, have a fabulous rest of your week, and I will see you very soon for a new video. Bye guys!